Hello and welcome. Today's tip is to yawn and stretch. Now you might wonder, how is yawning and relaxation connected? Well, it is again our body's natural response, a biohack to induce relaxation in the body. When we wake up in the morning, naturally we stretch and we yawn. It prepares us for the day, and also studies have proven that yawning increases the levels of oxygen in the brain. It energizes us. It also helps to soothe the nervous system. And really it has a lot of benefits at the level of the body as well in terms of releasing physical tension. So try it for yourself, be childlike and have fun at it. Just simple practice. Stretch, open the mouth and yawn. You'll notice that the face relaxes, jaws relax, body tends to open up, and very instant we feel relaxed. Another instant biohack to tap into a state of relaxation. And I hope that you have a good time yawning and stretching and relaxing. Have a peaceful day ahead. Namaste.